Hello and welcome. My name is Frank Calabro Jr. We're going to be talking about our Bitcoin multiplier, USI Tech, or United Software Intelligence. Now, before we begin, real quick disclaimer, proof of payment is no guarantee you will earn the same, but it would be possible to earn this and more with equal or greater strategy and work ethic. Any earnings figures shown are not a guarantee of income. Figures are presented for illustration purposes only. Okay, I want to say real quick that this is not an official USI Tech presentation. This is our own interpretation and team strategy. Our team utilizes the USI products to leverage and multiply paper currency as well as Bitcoin. We are positioning ourselves in front of emerging trends in the cryptocurrency markets. Now, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the first decentralized peer-to-peer payment network that is powered by its users with no central authority or middleman. Now, the history of Bitcoin actually started in 2008 by Satoshi Nakamoto and released as an open source software in 2009. January 12, 2009, this was the historic first Bitcoin transaction that took place when Satoshi sent Bitcoin to Hal Finney. And actually the first transaction, the first purchase that Bitcoin was used for, Lazo Heineck made the first real world transaction by actually purchasing two pizzas in Jacksonville, Florida for 10,000 BTC. Pretty insane amount, but at the time, Bitcoin was basically, almost worthless, guys, almost worthless. You didn't buy a whole bunch with 10,000 Bitcoin back in 2010. Now, the future of Bitcoin, now as it becomes more and more widely accepted, the price continues to soar. It is really a simple matter of supply and demand. I call it money in reverse because unlike fiat currency, Bitcoin has a limited supply. The supply is limited, so as more and more people buy Bitcoin, okay, it pushes the price up. Simple economics right there. Bitcoin potential, it could hit $100,000 per coin. It could hit $1 million per coin. Nobody really knows the true potential. Nobody really knows how high the price could go. Now, benefits of Bitcoin. Number one, extremely low transaction fees versus credit and debit cards, which could vary from 3 to 5%. Irreversible transactions, that's a big one right there. There's no chargebacks or refunds. Basically, all sales are final. No proof of identification needed. You don't have to, pull out your ID card when you use your debit card or credit card or whatever it may be. There's no limits on purchases. This is huge right here because large transactions, it's a hassle. Especially here where I live in the United States. I mean, you have to get a bank wire or you have to do a cashier's check. Both require you to physically go to your financial institution. It's difficult to do large purchases here, and Bitcoin is definitely a remedy for that problem. Speedy global payment system, with multiple worldwide currencies, you could send anyone in the world Bitcoin, and it's very fast, guys. There's no, currency trading that has to take place. There's no currency exchanging that has to take place or any of that stuff, guys. This is definitely a solution for the global payment system. It's definitely not controlled or manipulated by government, guys. This is, like I said, no government entity is connected to Bitcoin, monitors Bitcoin, regulates Bitcoin. Bitcoin is being monitored by its users. Pretty amazing the way this was set up and the evolution of Bitcoin. It's fascinating if you study the history of this. You are in control of your money. That's right. Whoever holds the keys to Bitcoin, well, that's who holds the purse strings. So unlike being in a bank or in a merchant processing or wherever your money is, with Bitcoin, you're in control of your money. You always have control over it. The appreciating value of Bitcoin. Bitcoin could go up. There's no guarantee it's going to go up, but it could go up. Unlike paper currencies, fiat currencies, that go down in value because the government prints too much of it, right? All right. Now, real quick, billionaires, you can find their comments. They've been very vocal about this. Richard Branson actually accepts Bitcoin. His company accepts Bitcoin as payment. He has recognized Bitcoin. And these guys are supporters of Bitcoin. Bill Gates also, Microsoft accepts Bitcoin as payment. You can find their comments, find what they have said about this. And until recently, actually, Mark Cuban, another billionaire, was very critical of Bitcoin, called it a bubble, and he was really hypercritical of Bitcoin until he recently tweeted out, might have to finally buy some. So even the skeptics out there like Mark Cuban are taking notice of Bitcoin. It's here to stay. Now, Bitcoin's global acceptance is enormous, and it's growing every day. The list of companies, the retailers, I mean, you name it, just about everybody, by the day this list is growing, is accepting Bitcoin as payment. They're accepting it as a worldwide currency. They're accepting it for purchases. So, and this list is nothing. This is really a small slice. This is a sliver of all the companies that are accepting Bitcoin. But it just shows you the power, because there's some major brands up there on the screen that are accepting Bitcoin. So it is here, guys, and it is here to stay. Now, the Bitcoin price history, you can look this up. Basically, this is just the close price at the end of the year for each year since 2010. And you can see it just goes up every single year, just about every year. 2014 to 15, it actually went down. But then again, this is the last day of the year. This was not the highest price of the year or anything like that. But you can look this up. You can also look up the current price today and see what Bitcoin is selling for today, what it's worth today. And I think you're going to be pretty shocked at the price. It's pretty remarkable what has happened with Bitcoin just in the last couple of years. I'm talking 2016-17 timeframe. Now, USI Tech is a software company that develops high-end software-based products for use in the financial, money, and currency market, and further operates blockchain-based server farms for mining established and recognized tradable informational units known as Bitcoins. You know, I'm not going to get into the whole mining process. It's pretty fascinating. You can actually look this up. There's some very well-made documentaries over on YouTube. It's fascinating the way the Bitcoin is created through mining, through the mining process. The founders of USI Tech, you guys can do some research on these guys. I'm not going to get deep into this. Giles Serviano, we've got Ralph Gold, Horst Jika, Mike Kiefer. These gentlemen were all highly successful in their own right, in their own industries before USI Tech. They didn't put this thing together to become wealthy. They already are wealthy. So these are the people behind USI Tech. Now, the objective was to consistently develop a fully automated trading platform, which even smaller traders can compete against the major financial institutions. Okay. Now, when USI came to market, when they first came to market, they only had one product. Okay. And the product was a software license, an automatic software license. And this product right here is being sold for an economical, I can't believe how low the price is. I've purchased this product, 600 euros. And this is for a lifetime service of free updates. We're actually on version 8 of the software. I've bought the software. It's Forex trading software. You don't have to know anything about the Forex market because this thing runs on autopilot. It's pretty fascinating. This is actually a shot of my actual software that I purchased. And this trades for me 5 days per week on complete autopilot. I had to set it up. It was very simple and easy to set up. It was not complicated whatsoever. And it's running for me, guys. It's pretty insane right here. And this is our strategy right here to multiply paper currency, okay? I don't know anything about the Forex market. I don't study the Forex market. I don't study currency pairs or anything like that, guys. But this is one of our products. I purchased the product, and I got the product up and running, and I think it's pretty fascinating, the technology. Another one of our products is Bitcoin. We call them BTC packages. What these are is BTC mining and trading packages. They are sold for 50 euros each, and they're purchased with Bitcoin. Okay, so this is another one of our products. Now, this is the product page in the back office at USI Tech, and you can see right here, you click on product detail. Like I said, they're sold for 50 euros each. We have to purchase these with Bitcoin, and you can read the product detail. Okay, there's the product detail that pops up when you click on in the back office on that particular link right there. And I do want to say that we have multiple payment options for buying BTC packages, and there's actually more payment options on the way. Okay. Now, BTC packages have no guaranteed value. I want to be very clear about that. You definitely want to read the product detail. I'm not going to read that whole thing out there. It's right there in front of you, but read it, guys, okay? It's right there in black and white in plain English, and there's no guaranteed value, okay? Very important, but if you learn how the mining process works, like I said, go to YouTube. There's some pretty incredible documentaries out there. If you learn how the mining process works, it's fascinating, guys. It is truly fascinating, and that's what we're getting involved in here with these BTC packs. Okay, now there are some purchase limits in place, obviously. These are some checks and balances and some safeguards that USI have put in place to prevent what, guys? Prevent wealthy people from coming in here and buying all these packs, right? Absolutely, guys, because the rich are always looking to multiply their money because that's their full-time job. Once you become wealthy, your full-time job, trust me on this one, is going to be, okay, I got all this crazy money. Well, how do I multiply this money? Well, there's some purchase limits in place right here. The most you can buy is 200 BTC packages in a day. That's the limit. 400 BTC packages in a week. 500 BTC packages in a month. Now, this is out of pocket, okay? Out of pocket. There's no limits on repurchases, okay? And we'll talk about that in just a moment. But these are limits put in place. Okay, now how we leverage the products. Now, once again, we teach a strategy, okay? We've always taught a strategy. Number one, the number one way that we can leverage these products to multiply our paper currency is by purchasing the Forex lifetime license. Now, you'll hear me or hear others refer to it as a robot, as the Forex robot. There's several nicknames for this thing, but it all means the same thing, okay? The Forex lifetime license, that is the robot. That is the Forex robot, okay? That is the trading robot, okay? Some people call it a trading robot, but that's the product, and by purchasing that product, setting it up and turning it on, we can multiply paper currency, right? Correct. So that's one strategy right there to leverage the products. Now, also, we can sponsor others who purchase this product for 600 euros, and what we can make is 120 euro from direct referral sales. So someone that we sponsor to or refer to the platform, they purchased a Forex lifetime license. Well, guess what? We get paid 120 euros from that sale, okay? Now, indirectly, up to 12 levels deep, okay, we can actually get paid 12.5 euros, guys. And terms do apply. You have to qualify for all 12 levels of the compensation plan. But I will show you the terms here in just a moment. But here's how we can leverage this particular product right here. All right, how we multiply our Bitcoin, okay? This is a big part of our strategy, okay? By purchasing BTC packs, we will receive a return on capital from BTC mining and trading packs Monday through Friday only, okay? Now, Bitcoin is added to your available balance until you have collected around 140%. Results may vary. BTC packs have a limited shelf life, and the return on capital usually lasts 140 working days. Once again, results may vary, okay? It could be 145 days, 150 days, could be 130 days, 135 days, 137 days. There's no set time. This is just general guidelines, just for general purposes right here. Okay, now another way is we can multiply our Bitcoin is by getting commissions on referral BTC package sales up to 35%. Now, here's how this works. It pays 12 levels deeps, okay? This structure right here is 12 levels deep, and how it works is everyone that we directly refer to the platform, okay, we get paid 10%. Now, think about this. Every time someone buys a BTC package, we get 10%. Now, that also includes rebuys. Okay, so if someone buys 100 BTC packs, well, you would get 10% commission. Okay, and this is on all your directs, guys. Pretty strong right there. Now, also, these are 3% commissions on level 2. So these are people we did not sponsor. We did not sponsor these people, yet we're getting a 3% sales referral on all sales of BTC packs. Now, that could be pretty substantial right there, because especially if you're one of those people that bring in a lot of people front line, this could add up pretty quick. All right, now, levels 3 through 8, also a 3%, but you have to qualify. There are terms and conditions on this. And also on levels 9 through 12, there's a 1% referral BTC package sale right here that we can make. But once again, terms apply. Now, to qualify for all 12 levels, it's pretty simple. Here's how it works. Refer 3 customers that have 12 BTC packs each. So just 3 people, front line, that have purchased 12 BTC packs each, okay? Or refer 3 customers that purchased the software, okay? Now, it's one or the other. It's not a combination of the two. So pretty simple qualifiers right here to dig into 12 levels, up to 35% on these BTC package sales. Pretty awesome right there. Pretty powerful. This is one of the most powerful things I've ever seen, because I've never seen anything pay down this deep, guys. This is pretty incredible right there. All right, now, pretty quick. Let's go over some notes here. There are no purchase or repurchase requirements. Okay, you're not required to purchase anything here or repurchase anything. You may withdraw your available balance at any time. Withdrawals are processed within 24 hours. 1 withdrawal per day, though, okay, and presently capped at 2.5 Bitcoin per day. You may also purchase more BTC packages, which are available balance. So it's your money. You're in control. Spend it as you please. All right, here's the dashboard for illustration purposes only. This is just what it looks like back there. Pretty simple, easy to navigate, very streamlined, very well thought out when they put this thing together. And you can tell people that come from the trading market, the trading background, put this together. Okay, not someone from like an affiliate marketing or network marketing or internet marketing type background. You can tell that true professional traders put this thing together because and once you play around back here and check out everything you can do, the reports you can generate, all that kind of cool stuff. I've just never seen so much data available in one place ever in any back office. So this is what it looks like. Like I said, it's pretty simple, easy to navigate, extremely simple, guys, and very well thought out and laid out, the navigation process back here in the dashboard. Okay, we also got a company incentives here. We have a car bonus, pretty awesome right there. There are terms and conditions you do have to meet to get the car bonus. Obviously, this is for people that are going to work extremely hard, but it's not that hard to reach. Okay, the first, and there's basically 2 phases of the car bonus. You can actually get an €800 car bonus, which in the United States that's about $1,000 US. And I'll tell you something right now. With that kind of car bonus, this is a large car bonus. Here in the United States, you could probably purchase just about anything that I could think of, automobile or truck made in the USA, for $1,000 a month quite easily, guys. So that covers just about every car and truck made in America, almost every car and truck made in America with that particular car bonus, €800. That's a lot of money, US, to spend on a vehicle. And then there's a part 2 right here where you can actually double the car bonus to €1,600. I'm going to take, that's about probably around $2,000 or so in the United States. Now you're talking about getting into exotics. I mean, I don't know anyone that spends $2,000 US on their car each month. So that's quite a large car bonus. Both of these are very large car bonuses. The largest car bonuses I've ever seen, actually, personally. I've never seen car bonuses this large. So just another company incentive. All right, getting started, very simple, guys. Register for free. There are no back office monthly or enrollment fees whatsoever. Must be 18 years old. Partner affiliates, one account per household, no stacking rule, okay? So what that means is real simple. If you're going to build a team, well, you just can't sign up everybody in your household, and they're going to build a team too. That's a big no-no, okay? And you don't want to risk losing your account, right? Absolutely being terminated or anything like that, or violating the terms and conditions. So, one partner affiliate account per household, okay? Now, you can have unlimited customer per household. Now, say, for example, you have someone living in your household that wants to purchase the software, okay? They want to be a customer. You can do that. They're not going to be able to build a team, but they will be able to buy the products. They want to buy, packages as such, okay? They can be customers and customers only, okay? Very simple, guys, very easy, okay? Why anyone would need more than one account is beyond me, but partner affiliates, one account per household, no stacking rule. Very important. All right. Next, purchase the Forex lifetime license is optional. You don't have to purchase the Forex lifetime license ever, but that's the reason that I got into it. This is the reason that Frank Calabro Jr. got into USI Tech, because of this particular technology. I wanted access to this technology, but like I said, it's optional. All right, purchase BTC packages in Bitcoin, which are equivalent to 50 euros. There are limits in place. I showed you the limits, how many you can buy in a day, a week, and a month. There's no limits on repurchases, okay? So the money that's in your available balance, you can use all of it to purchase more BTC packages. It's unlimited. Refer others to the platform. That's also optional, okay? It's completely optional. We don't teach this strategy. We teach the distribution model, and I've been teaching it for years actually now. We've got some pretty awesome systems in place that you will gain access to show you how to duplicate and replicate like crazy, guys. We are the masters of duplication and replication, but it's not required. If you just want to be a customer, you just want to get access to the technology, there's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with it. You just want to be a customer, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that, okay? So you do not have to be a builder. You do not have to sponsor other people. You don't have to do that, okay? And like I said, this stuff is optional. So, think about this. You could actually start for free, and you can refer others to the platform, never spend $1 of your own money out of pocket, and take your available balance and purchase packages. You could literally start for free here. This is actually a no-cost business. It's 100% free, and then you can follow whatever strategy that you want to follow. Okay, just wanted to bring that up. Now, only a small number of sales partners can generate a high income with their activity for USI Tech, and generating an income is only possible through very intense and sustained work. Okay? No one's going to get rich fast here. No one's going to get rich overnight. No one's going to get rich instantly. It's going to require very intensive and sustained work. Okay? All right. Timing and positioning is everything with anything, guys. You guys know that in business. Get started now. You can contact the person who shared this video or click the button below, and we'll see you guys on the inside. Thank you.